Hey there, if you want to turn on the camera timer or shutter delay on your Samsung S25, then this video is for you. There is two ways to turn on the shutter delay or camera timer. If you want on the shutter delay, then you can get the shutter delay from the night mode. If you're on night mode, this is actually the symbol of night mode. If you turn on the night mode on your camera, then you will get the shutter delay on your camera of your Samsung Galaxy S25. And if you want to set a timer, this camera timer, then you can just simply tap on this 4-dot button here, and from here you will find this stopwatch icon. Actually you can tap on it, and from here you can set up timer for 2 seconds, 5 seconds or 10 seconds. There are some timers and you can choose according to your needs. For example, I'm going to set it for 2, and if I tap on it, here you can see it is just set for 1 and 2 seconds. If I turn off the shutter delay, then I just turn off the night mode from my camera, and if I tap on it, it will just count for 1, 2, and here it will capture the image. I can set it for 5 seconds, then 5, 4, the counter will start from the 5, and after 5 seconds it will capture the image. That's how we can turn on camera timer or shutter delay on our Samsung Galaxy S25 and S25 Ultra. Hope you got this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.